To replace the spur gear in your X-Maxx, first remove the gear cover. Now detach the motor from the vehicle by removing the 4 screws on the bottom of the chassis. Notice the gearing guide under the motor. The guide holds 2 small pins that help set the gear mesh when the motor is in place. Be careful not to lose these pins when removing the motor. Remove the 4 screws that hold the slipper clutch cover in place and remove the cover and slipper clutch assembly. Take out the 3 screws holding the spur gear to the slipper clutch and replace the gear with the new one. Reinstall the slipper clutch and cover, being careful not to let the bearing slip off. Use the guide and pins under the motor to set the appropriate mesh for your gearing setup. The gear sizes are shown on the pinion and spur gear if needed for reference. We're running a 15-tooth pinion and a 54-tooth spur gear, so we'll put both pins in position C. Hold the motor in place while you replace the 4 screws on the bottom of the chassis. Now replace the gear cover and you're done. For more information about X-Maxx, visit us at Traxxas.com.